Hi everyone, I'm on here to show you exactly what I'm getting together for the Valentine party. I'm putting the little small things, getting them out the way. As far as my hot cocoa bar, I'm getting ready to set this up. This is what I did for the Christmas and New Year's. I'm just doing a recap here so you can see this. I'll be using some of the same things, so don't worry if you didn't get a close-up. I'm going to do it again. And this is what I'm putting together for the hot cocoa bar. Like I said before, I'm using some of the same things. I'm going to move some of this stuff out. We don't need the waffle irons anymore. We don't need anything green anymore. We're coming back with mostly red for Valentine's Day. These are what you see over in the coffee bar, coffee hot cocoa bar. And here it is here. These are the flavors that we like. And my little cute mug, which is the star of the show. Oh no, I can't say that. Wait till you see the other elements here. So this is the setup for that. Trying to give you a close-up. Okay. Just scanning around so you can see what I'm working with. And then I'm come back and give you a more close-up than what you see here. Different places that I go to, like Burlington, Ross, some thrifty finds, Dollar Tree, and then my DIYs. When my family come in, they know they can help themselves without me assisting them anything. So always keep that in mind, that it's a mixture of different items that I've collected. And, of course, you know, my DIY Santa is now my Valentine's kitchen chef. And all I do is make a heart apron for him. I can use them throughout the year in any holiday or celebration. And I want to mention in a jar is Trader Joe chai tea. Really good. You should check it out. And this little guy here was a thrifty find. But before I go into our next tier tray, bringing in the pink, I decided to do a throwback of what I've done in the past. And I want you to see how I've used Dollar Tree items and different ribbons to put together different tier trays and bars in the past. When I'm having different parties and events for my family, I always try to come up with clever way or displaying things that they like having. This one was a brownie bar. And I know that they love having brownies, bacon brownies. So I wanted to put toppings all on this tier tray that I put together. All the things here from Dollar Tree and a couple of DIYs that I put together. I would try to find the videos for this one and link it down below. I don't think I showed everything about the setup as far as the different toppings that you can put, but I'll try to link the video. This next one is also a tier tray I put together using Dollar Tree picture frames. This next one is a Valentine table escape, and I made the tablecloth and did the napkin, fabric napkins. This was my Valentine for two with my DIY red heart napkin rings and Dollar Tree place setting. One of my favorite table settings from the past. Here's another one of my favorite for Valentine, non-traditional rose red and copper setting. With my matching DIY rose gold napkin rings, a table setting for two. Though I enjoy using red for Valentine's Day, you'll see in these next pics that I really don't stay in that box. I like to break away and do something different. And that's what you'll see on this channel at all time, where I like to suggest other colors to use in so many other ways in your decor. And I also love doing my DIYs in that way. So I get a chance to explore new ways to look at traditional, non-traditional things. And of course, my food and my art. If you see anything you like, comment down below and let me know. Okay, bring in the pink. My initial decoration thought was to do pink for this year, for Valentine's Day. So I decided, since I did the red for hot cocoa bar, I'll do a buffet table, my buffet table in pink. And the theme is pink and donuts, pastries. If you like doing tiered trays, now this is my introduction to my mini faux sweets collection. I give you a close up on some of these here, and there's many more to come. But this is the one I decided to do over here on my buffet table, far as pink for Valentine's Day. I hope you like it. Those lights there, I didn't hang them up because they'll be ready for the big day that's coming up. Oh yeah, you are invited to Chocolate Sensation. I'm hosting a family fun Valentine party for my family, and you are invited. So stay tuned for more decorations and setup to come. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you right back here. If you haven't seen this video, go check it out. And as always, I'll see you next time. If you're not a subscriber, take the time and subscribe down below. And to all my Amor, thank you, Amors. Take care and be blessed.